ultra close to missing that Cessna 404. That was crazy. I almost missed it.
I'm sorry, it was a very late one. I tried.
Okay, thanks. Sorry about that.